RTB company took part in the International Industrial Exhibition in Tashkent, Uzbekistan country. The exhibition was organized by the Chambers of Commerce and Industry of Russia and Uzbekistan, with the support of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs of the Russia. RTB company is the Russian leader in the production of water filters and industrial equipment for water purification, presented the latest developments in the field of water treatment systems. High performance and economic efficiency of new models of water filters can solve the problem of clean water immediately and for a long time. This is a new industrial standard of water treatment systems. The exhibition featured 2 days best samples of NEPTUN water treatment equipment, industrial water filters with innovative string technology for fine mechanical cleaning of the FM series, including new products, high-performance models of 2019, magnetic water converters of the series, universal water treatment systems of the FMS series. NEPTUN magnetic converters, one of the promising developments for industry and agriculture. Magnetic converters are designed to protect against scale and deposits in heating devices and pipes, environmentally friendly, do not require consumables and chemical reagents. The NEPTUN magnetic water converter can be used on its own or as part of water treatment systems. It is installed on both cold and hot piping. The service life of the magnetic converter is at least 30 years. It can be used for drink water, desalination systems and oil industry. This new technology has aroused great interest of representatives of Uzbekistan companies in the field of water purification. Experts of RTB company discussed with them the pressing problems in thermal power engineering and outlined new possibilities for their solution based on Russian developments. RTB company has enormous experience in implementing joint projects on water purification with foreign companies in cooperation with the UN. One of the new products presented at the exhibition is the NEPTUN FMS-AO1 Universal Drink Water System. The core of the system is the newest string membrane of a new generation of high-alloy stainless steel. The filter element has been serving for at least 15 years and does not require replacement or repair over its entire service life. The case is also made of water-neutral medical stainless steel, which mainly distinguishes it from existing analogs. The NEPTUN water system is intended for the purification of drinking water from the finest mechanical suspensions, from all known pollutants, bacteria and viruses, chlorine-containing substances and other impurities, softening, deroning, reliable solution of a problem of a scum. Can be used for apartments, country houses, cottages, restaurants, hotels, hospitals, schools and child care facilities. A connection kit that is equipped with the NEPTUN FMS-AO1 water treatment system will make it easy to install for any plumbing fixture in any location. NEPTUN water treatment system gives you and your family clean and healthy water. The string technology, presented at the exhibition by a wide range of filter elements, is the most effective method of water purification, and allows to provide filtration fineness from 100 to 1 micron with high performance from 1 to 2000 cubic meters per hour. Self-washing mechanical fine filters. NEPTUN was developed on the basis of string technology and designed to clean water from all mechanical impurities, up to 98% in the first stage of water purification systems. It does not require the replacement of cartridges and consumables. The special pride of the RTB company is represented by NEPTUN filters with a capacity of over 300 cubic meters per hour, based on string technology for use in large-scale industry. All NEPTUN products are commercially available and are presented in the company's catalog. During the exhibition, RTB company took part in the Tashkent Business Forum on major industries with the participation of ministries of both countries, where they discussed areas of cooperation in the fields of economy, education and science, stimulation of innovation activity and interaction of scientific institutions of the two countries. RTB company is open for cooperation and invites partners to jointly implement water purification projects in Uzbekistan and other countries.